with a new video today, and today we have a R&B Trapsoul kind of vibe, something that like Bryson Tiller, Tory Lanez would hop on. But yeah, we're gonna break down this melody and then break down the drums. But enough talking, let's just get down to this breakdown. So this is the final melody loop. I'll play it all together and then I'll break down the individual sounds. So yeah, super ambient, nice chords, nice textures, nice vocal in the background. But yeah, let's get into these individual sounds. So I started with this vocal piano sample that I just found from Splice, and this just sounds like this. So yeah, I thought that was fire right off the bat. Nice and ambient, some nice sounds, nice piano, nice vocal sample in there. So yeah, this first part, it's the sample as it is, and then when the verse, chorus comes in, I just have a EQ filter on it, just to kind of take out some of the higher frequencies. Yeah, and then just boosting this one little area to help with the vocals shine through a little bit more. And then some chorus, Juno deep chorus, mix turned down just a little bit, kind of wash it out a little bit. And then Space Echo preset in Arturia's spring reverb. Again, just washing it out a little bit more. And then this is the filter when the chorus and verse comes in, without any of the effects. And then with effects. So yeah, it just makes it a little bit more ambient for when I'm adding these other sounds in. And then the next sound that I did was these chords, and these are just following the chords that are playing in the sample. And this is the Galore pad preset. I'm not sure which bank it's from, but yeah, these chords sound like this. So yeah, these chords are just following the chords in the sample, with a couple of inversions just to add some tension, nice R&B chords here. And effects on this one, I have a shaper box, side chaining it to kind of give it like a pulsing movement with the mix turned down, and then same reverb as the one on the main sample, same preset with the width turned down just a little bit. And then I just have a low and high cut on the reverb. But yeah, that's pretty much it for just these chords. And then I added this bass line following the chords, root note. And this is the Wizardry bass preset. Again, I'm not too sure which preset bank this comes from, but the bass sounds like this. So yeah, nothing crazy on that. No effects on it. I just brought it a little bit more mono, so the stereo imaging isn't too crazy. I think what I did next was I had this drum loop and just chopped it up. So yeah, it just gives a little variation at the end of each bar, and then a nice lead up into the ambient pad section. And then yeah, just a couple other textures here, or accents I guess you would call them. And that's just on the one of each new section, just some ear candy. And then this one here is like a vocal transition, just helping it lead into the next section. So then once I had all of that, I just wanted to add a piano, playing the same chords just to help thicken it up a little bit. So yeah, that's pretty much all of the elements of this sample. Just exported it and pitched it up one semitone. So let's get into the drum section. Just started with this snare, and I'm pretty sure all of the drum sounds that I used are from this Producer Grind Trapsoul premium drum kit. But yeah, I just have this sharp snare, basic snare pattern, and then I just have it not playing at the end of the 4 bars, and I have it switching to this clap with a bunch of reverb. Keep it interesting as it plays along. Did a little hi-hat, let them know hi-hat, same kit, together with the sample. This secondary hi-hat, just with a little roll, a little bit of reverb on there. Open hat, pretty standard pattern. And then I just added some toms. Toms I've been having fun with them recently. Just a nice drum sound, a little bit different, perfect for these kind of R&B trap soul beats. So yeah, these are all the drums without the kick. And then yeah, so for these toms, I just have it kind of like a delayed pattern, and then I just have these ones panned left to right. When the verse comes in, 2-step hi-hat pattern, a couple rolls here and there, crazy simple kick pattern, just a double right at the start of each bar. So this is what all the drums sound like for the verse. And then last thing I added was this reverse crash at the end of each 8-bar section. Just helps it lead into the next part. And then for the bridge, just have this impact, and it yeah, it just goes nicely into the bridge section. Yeah, overall, nothing too crazy with the drums. Pretty simple, keeps it open. But yeah, this is the final beat.
Hey, Cole.
So yeah, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys like this video, if you learned something, please hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And yeah, let me know in the comments what kind of samples, melodies, beat tutorials you want to see in the future, and I'll do the best I can to put some of those out. But yeah, that's gonna wrap this one up. Peace.